You want to integrate Swagger into your Spring Boot project, but you don't know how. Maybe you have been watching endless tutorials on YouTube that just waste your time without solving your problem. Don't worry, I have got you covered. I will show you how to get done with just one dependency and one class, simple and clean. My project real quick. It's a pretty straightforward habit track graph. I have got two controllers and each of them has one post method. My goal here is to integrate Swagger into this project to make it easier to test and document. The first step, I open my pom.xml file and drop in a Swagger dependency. That's it. Save the file, reload, and we are good to go. Next, I create a configuration package. Inside that package, I add a class called Swagger config. At the top of the class, I slap on the configuration annotation so Spring knows, hey, this is a configuration class. Then I create a bean to set up OpenIP and provide some basic info about my project. Things like the title, version, and short description. And a little flair if you want, like contact details or anything else you find useful. And just like that, we are done. Open up your browser, navigate to Swagger UI and check if everything works as it should. Spoiler alert, it does. If this helped you, I am glad I could make your life easier. And hey, if you want to help me back, you know what to do. Like, comment and subscribe is enough. Thanks for watching, happy coding and take care.